This 2022 Lance Truck Campers 1172 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 42 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.